Hi, this is Lee Gerlander bringing you another fine sewing machine. This time we have a Singer 99 in a bentwood case. The Singer 99 is a 3/4 size sewing machine. It's actually the same machine as the Singer 66, which is the one that they make into the Red Eye or the Lotus or a number of different designs, but in 3/4 of the original size. But it's all steel drive. A strong machine, strong enough to sew just about anything you want to sew on it. Okay, listen to this. Okay, and here we have a piece of denim. So here's 2 layers of denim. Alright. Well, here is some split leather. So we're going to sew 2 layers of split leather. It's fairly heavy. So here's 2 layers of split leather. There you have it. Singer 99, a real nice little sewing machine.